Hello. Today we're releasing a new feature on LGM. Of course, you can still send contact requests, voice message, and regular LinkedIn messages, but from today, you can also like and follow your leads, like the post of your leads. Why would you do this? Because you want to maximize the number of people who accept you. And imagine you start your sequence and started by liking his last post. And then liking again his last tweet. Waiting for, I don't know, 1 day. And now sending the contact request. What happens is that one day, what happens is that he's seen your face twice before receiving your contact request. This will definitely increase the number of chance that he will accept it. And so, of course, after that, you'll be able to send a LinkedIn message or an email, but you'll only send a LinkedIn message if you are connected to him. And so we want to maximize the number of person who accepts you, and that's where the social warming works a lot. You can even add something else here and say, okay, right after that, I want to follow him. So for 1 day, you will follow him, right? 1 day after, you will ask him as a contact, maximizing your acceptance rate. If you want to test it, there's a link below. Feel free to ask if you have any question. Bye.